Okay, I'm going to do a really quick and hopefully informative walkthrough on how to get Zwift, Training Peaks and Discord connected for when you join in on my group rides. So first thing you need to do is have the Zwift companion app installed on your phone or iPad. That way, when I send an invite out for a group ride, you'll get the invite, which all you have to do then is click accept. So in order to do that, you need to follow me on Zwift, which is Andrew Roach and you'll see WUP in capitals after my name. So follow me on that, make me a favorite, and then I'll have you in my list of people that I can send invites to. Like I say, when I send an invite out, then just click accept, and that workout or that group ride will be lined up for you for whenever the time and date arrives. The other thing you need to do is have Discord installed on your phone or laptop, and that's the audio app that we use just to have chat back and forth within the group ride. So I'll put the link in for Discord with the information, and then again I would send the link out to you to enable you to join that audio service. The thing you need to watch out for when you click the Discord app, once you've got it all set up, make sure you click the audio channel and not the text channel. So once you click the audio channel, you'll hear me and you'll be able to speak back as well. So once you've got those steps in place, the other thing you need to do within Zwift, so Zwift.com, not the app. So go on to Zwift.com, go into your profile. So this is mine, but so you go into my profile. Then what we're looking for is connections. So you're going to get to connections here. And you will scroll down, because this is going to assume most people are connected to my Training Peaks account. You would select Training Peaks. I'm already connected in, so that would give you the option to connect. You then put in your Training Peaks account details, and that's going to give you the Training Peaks workouts within Zwift, which we'll go on to from here. So those are the steps you need to do first. Then within Zwift, so that's me, I'm all set up, my trainer's connected, you just click OK. So you can see I've got a ride set up which is starting in 5 minutes. So ignore routes, ignore training, click straight on ride, and that's going to bring you into the virtual world of Zwift. So it takes a little while to load up. Okay, so that's loaded up. Eventually you do get a little pop-up here that says join ride, or in the center, if it's kind of less than a few minutes, it usually just gives you like a let's go button. You'd click that, and that would you be joining my ride. So there it is. So let's go. So the pop-up is here. So let's click that. And that's going to throw you into the ride that I will have made, the group ride. So again, it takes a little minute just for that to go in. And of course, mine's going really slow. The internet kind of slows it down sometimes. So there we go. So that's you now in the waiting area. So you can see the countdown. So there's just over 4 minutes left until the ride starts. So you get to this stage, you're in the holding area, you can pedal your bike, you won't go anywhere until the ride actually starts. So the next step you need to do from here is click back on menu, look up here for workouts. So click workouts, you then see your workouts column and you'll have Training Peaks custom workouts. Now that's if you've linked your Training Peaks account to Zwift, which I showed you in the previous step. So the workout that I will have put on your calendar is here within the Training Peaks custom workout. So you click that. That's the workout. You want to make sure you've got erg mode selected if you use a smart trainer. It just makes it a smoother transition between steps, so it makes it a little bit easier to do. Make sure you've got the correct FTP setting in. So that FTP setting within Zwift should be the same that you have in Training Peaks. So you can always check on your Training Peaks account, go into zones and make sure your FTP is the same in both. Okay, so from there you click workout, you'll get back to this menu page, you click back, and that's us back in the holding area. So I've got the workout loaded on the left hand side. That's the workout that I just showed you from Training Peaks. And we would have hopefully a big group of people here waiting to go. So that whole group of people for the group ride, they'll all have this same workout loaded, and we'll all be doing exactly the same thing, but it'll all be relevant to each person. So you'll be working along the lines to your own FTP. And that's pretty much it. So like I said, if you've got Discord loaded as well, I'll also prompt the session. So rather than you kind of staring at the screen, or if you're a little bit unsure, maybe you're new to Zwift or new to using zones and stuff like that, I'll also prompt it. So I'll use kind of RPE, or I might use zones rather than pure numbers. So I might say, okay, let's hop into zone 3. And of course, we'll just kind of throw out a few bit of some training tips. We'll have a chat along the way. Some people like to tell a few stories, whatever it might, makes it a bit more interesting. So that's it. Easy as that. And I hope to see you on the next one.